Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to check your iPhone is original or duplicate with the just serial number. So if you want to check your iPhone is duplicate or not or original by just checking your serial number. So how you can check that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. In settings, you have to simply go back now. You have to simply go to general, and in general you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after resetting all of your network settings, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, you have to simply go to general again, and this time you have to go to about section. And in about section you will find many details including your serial number. So here you have to simply press and hold your serial number, and copy option will be available. Now if you want to check whether your iPhone is original or duplicate just by a simple serial number, then you have to open the Safari here, and you have to simply search for coverage, iPhone coverage, and you will find a website related to your original Apple Sport website. So here you have to simply paste your serial number here. After that you have to simply click on submit, and you will find all the data related to your device, whether it is original or not. You can also find the purchase date of your device, and after that you can also check whether your iPhone is original or duplicate, but just by simply checking. Moreover, you can also check for your coverage, which means whether your iPhone coverage is available or not, whether or it is expired. So you can also check for paid repairs and service. Moreover, you can also contact the iPhone Apple Sport chat so that you can get the originality of your product. So in this way you can simply check for that. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like this, you can subscribe our channel.